How to allow participants to share screen in Zoom. So if you want to allow participants to share screen in your Zoom, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser, go with your meeting, make sure that you're on your meeting, make sure that you've joined a meeting. Once done, you'll have screen share option on the bottom of your screen. And beside the green arrow, you will have a small arrow. You need to click on that. And then you need to go with advanced sharing options. Now, here's where the magic begins. Here, you will have advanced sharing options and how many participants can share at a time. You can go with multiple participants can share simultaneously. And then under who can share, you need to go and select all participants. Or if you want one person, or if you want one participant to share at a time, then you can just simply go with the second or third options. And then under who can share, you need to go with all participants. And who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. You can go with all participants as well. Once done, you need to close it and then refresh your page. In this way, you'll be able to allow participants to share screen in your Zoom. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.